Want to optimize Elementor to speed up your website? In this video, I'll walk you through how to fully optimize Elementor for better performance and a smoother design experience. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with anyone looking to level up their WordPress site. Start by opening your browser and logging into the backend of your WordPress website. From the left-hand menu, click on Elementor and then go to Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, head over to the Performance tab from the top menu. Scroll down a bit and enable Optimized Image Loading, Optimized Gutenberg Loading, and Lazy Load Background Images. After switching those on, click the Save Changes button. Now head to the Features tab. Scroll down again and make sure Optimized Markup, Element Caching, Inline Font Icons, and the Load Google Fonts Locally options are all active. These features fall under Elementor's performance category. Activating them helps your site load faster and run smoother. Once everything is enabled, hit that Save Changes button again. Next, click on Elementor again to open the Elementor Manager. Here, you'll see a full list of elements available for your designs. At the top, you'll find a button that says Scan Element Usage. Click on it. This process might take a few moments. Once the scan finishes, a new usage column will appear, showing how often each element is used across your site. To clean things up, click on Deactivate Unused Elements at the top of the menu. This will automatically disable any unused widgets, making your Elementor experience lighter and faster. And that's it! Your Elementor setup is now optimized and ready to go. So, looking to design like an expert? Elementor is my preferred tool, and you can get started instantly by using the affiliate link below. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.